Hi, it's Karen. Today I'm going to be making a dish that I got off of allrecipes.com, but I've tweaked it to make it a Weight Watcher friendly dish, and it's called Heavenly Halibut on allrecipes.com. But with my tweaking, it's 4 points. Normally it's much more than that. So I'm going to show you what you need and how to make it. It's very simple. The first thing you're going to do is do what I always do, and that is put some foil on a pan. So you don't, I'm all about easy cleanup. And spray it with some butter flavored pan. And I usually have asparagus with this, so I also put the asparagus on here to broil. And you're going to turn your oven on to broil. So you're going to broil the fish. I have it seasoned. Well, on one side, let me get the other side. With some salt and pepper. So you just put that on the pan and make sure that your broiler has been preheated. And you're going to put that in for at least 8 minutes, and depending on how thick your fish is, this is a 6-ounce filet. It may be a little bit longer. You got to try it. So we're going to do that, and then I'll tell you how to make the sauce. Okay, so the fish is in the oven, and so now we're going to make the super easy sauce. And what we have here is, this is for one person, so if you want to make it for more, you'll have to double it. I'll put the ingredients in the description as usual. 4 points for the fish, and I guess the asparagus too is 0. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you want to put you know what, I did this so that the points would stay at 4 points, so that's why the measurements are a little weird. It's 1 2/3 tablespoon of grated parmesan. So I just put it in this because we're going to stick it in the microwave. So that's that. And then we're going to put 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Now you can use, margarine or whatever, but sometimes you just got to have that butter flavor. So you're going to put that in your little microwave safe dish. I make sure I get every bit. All right, so that's that. And then the next thing we're going to put in here is 1 1/8 teaspoon, or you can just do 1/8 teaspoon of light mayonnaise. So that goes in there. And then it calls for 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onions or scallions. I put a little bit more than 1 tablespoon, so if you like them, I probably won't even use them all. The next thing is a dash of Tabasco sauce or hot pepper, just a dash. And if you don't like things that are spicy, this really doesn't come across spicy at all. And the next thing we're going to do is put in a 3/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. So I'm going to do that and I'll get back to you. All right, I got my 3/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, and here's what it looks like when it's all together. And now we're going to put this in the microwave for let's try 30 seconds, see how that is. Okay, it's been 8 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and put the sauce on the halibut. It's done. If you use a temperature, you can, and I'm using just a silicone brush to brush it on. You want to use all of it because it's so good. And what you have left on your brush, just brush over your asparagus. And then you're just going to want to heat this up for, use a spatula to try to get the rest of it out, for about, I don't know, a minute or 2 longer, just to heat up the sauce. Okay. Put it back in the oven, and I'll show you when it's done. And this is what it looks like when it's done. It's delicious. I served it over a half a cup of mashed potatoes. You can also serve it over rice. And the asparagus also has the sauce on it, and it's so good. For 4 points, mashed potatoes are 4 points, so 8 points if you use mashed potatoes. If you put it over rice, I use the rice, it's half a cup for 3 points, so it's 7 points if you put it over rice. Absolutely delicious. It's done in like 10 minutes. So it's a great dinner on the weekday where you're busy and just home from work. So I hope you enjoy it. Bye.